So to get right into it, I'm going to show you how to create this footer in Wix Studio. Now, and also how to add it on all the pages with a click of the button. So I'm Mecca Joy, owner and creator of Mecca Joy Consulting, where I help entrepreneurs turn their ideas into reality. So first things first, let's get to a clean page and create the footer. So just FYI, this is a client's website that I am going to be redesigning. I did not create this design, so I'm going to be reworking it. For some reason, I started with the footer. Don't ask me why, but I did. So first things first, I want to delete this footer, okay? And you know what? I'm going to leave it just so that I can add in some of this information and I don't have to, I could just copy it over. So first thing I want to do is create a blank canvas, right? Then I'm going to come over here to this plus sign, click on element, scroll down to wireframes, right? Click on footers and you'll see the footer that I wanted to pick there. But you see there's several others here. I like this one, so I'm going to bring that over here. Now you can put in your title here, change the color, say pros. I don't know what it's at. That's a testing page. All right. And then you can type it. If you just double click on the items, it will select all of it, right? So you go ahead, select it, put your information in. Make sure you update your information down here. I was reading something today where we're just talking about that sometimes it was some research was done where it's saying that people do pay attention to these copyright information down bottom, and when it's outdated it indicates to them that your website has not been updated in a while. So just keep that in mind, because sometimes it can keep customers from purchasing from you when your website hasn't been updated, which for them makes them think that that you're using an outdated software and their information may not be protected if they purchase with you. So just keep that in mind, because I definitely will make sure that I update that information on my site or any site that I manage. So boom. So that's basically that for the creating the page. But let me just pull these out of here so you'll be able to see as well. So let's delete that. All right, so now we got the font, but it's saying it's a page. I want to go here. Oh, I did something wrong. Arrange. Oh, there it goes. So set as global footer. So now that will be the footer, right? At the bottom. Now, if I wanted to add this to all of the pages, what I want to do is right click and click add to, and then select all pages. Now, if you wanted to just add it to some of the pages, you can do that as well. But I'm going to click apply. Oh no. So you know what? I'm going to do it anyway. And if I have to do it over, we'll fix it. So I want to preview. Let's go preview. Let's look at all the pages, services. It's not there. Contact us. It's not there. Oh, maybe because I didn't publish it. All right, well, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to do the one that I actually want to be on all pages. So I don't, oh, there it goes. But let's delete that. Let's delete it anyway. And let's right click here and add to. So it's just showing on the home page. So let's add to all pages. Click apply. I'm gonna click publish because that is what I want to happen. And let's see. Let's view site. Scroll down. We know it's here. Oh, I don't like the way that looks. Oh yeah, I definitely don't like the way that looks. It does not look centered. Maybe it's my screen. Let's see. I don't know, it looks weird. Let's see. That looks better. Maybe I need to make the middle. I need to play around with it. But for the most part, that's that. Let's just check the other pages to see if it is on the other pages. It is not. Why is it not on the other pages? That's how you do it. Alright, let's try it again. Alright. Layers, just where we want to be. Layers now. Oh, then add it to all the pages. Well, add it to them, but you can't see it. Hear my niece. She her little feet pattering. I miss that with my kids. They got so big now. They don't be paying me no attention. Okay, let me add it to the FAQ section. I don't understand why it's not general labor. Alright, let me just hit all. Okay. Alright. So let me just see here. Publish. There it goes. That's centered. Okay. Now let me just, because I might have to just go over here and check it out. Carpenter. There it goes. There it goes. Let's check it out. Oh. Yeah. I gotta move that out of there. Why didn't it come over here? It's there. That's weird. Yes, definitely gotta figure out why it's doing that. services, and I did not take on the About Us page. Okay, so let's go over here just to see what's happening. Why is it all of these? We come too far to give up who we are. I don't know why that song just was on my mind. I'm up all night to get some. I'm up all night. Alright. Card entered. Alright. So let's check it out and see if the About Us page has updated. It has updated. So yay, yay, yay. So hopefully that was helpful for you. But for the most part, you know, in the event that you are working on a footer and designing, you know, main thing is you just got to keep working, you know, and practicing until you get better, you know, because things change and it's a new day. So we got to adapt. So always learn, keep learning, stay safe. I'm out. Peace.